Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another unboxing for feelookart. So feelookart is a premium diamond painting company, and they do reach out to me every couple of months and ask me if they can send me a free product, and I can choose from like maybe 6 different designs, and I can choose which one I want. They ship it to me and they ask me to do an unboxing and a little bit of a review, and if I want to, I can follow up with a completed project video. And speaking of completed project videos, the last feelookart project that I was working on, I'll insert a photo here. I am almost finished with it. It is a massive undertaking, largest diamond painting I've ever done. I did take it with me on vacation when I went to Maine, and I worked on it in the evenings. And I've got a little bit more to go, but I want to wait to share that with you guys when it's completed, which hopefully will be, I'm hoping this week, maybe early next week. I don't have a lot of time to work on these projects because I do work during the day, and in the evening I have other things going on, plus, you know, I want to craft and do some other things. So anyway, I'm going to try to share that with you in hopefully within a week. In the meantime, I did receive this one, and this is one of their premium kits, and it looks like a big giant one. And as usual, it has every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. And I have never gotten one of their diamond paintings that I wasn't totally thrilled with. Everything you need is inside the box, and details are on the back. So before we hop to the back, I just want to show you here, there is a QR code that you can scan to go to their website, and here's all their social media and their web address right there if you want to go that way. And here is the diamond painting that I chose. It is like a stained glass window with a rose in it, and the size is 26.8 by 34.6, and that's the full size of the canvas. And the actual image is 23.6 by 31.5, so it is a large canvas as well. And as usual, they have all of the directions on how to do a diamond painting if you've never done one before. And they also show you what's included in the kit, but we're going to get into the box and I will show you what's in here. They always package very well, so this really nice sturdy box came inside of another box, and this was wrapped in plastic. So you can pretty well be guaranteed that your masterpiece kit is going to be coming to you in excellent condition. So let me get this box open here. When tiny sparks become masterpieces. Okay, so here is the canvas, and tucked inside are the products that I'm going to show you. Also, they do include, and this is something I'm seeing that's relatively new. This is the second time I've seen this, where they actually send you the little labels with the number for the kit, the symbol for the kit, and then this is the, oh, I forget what they called it, the standard number. So DMC number, I think that's what it's called. And you can stick these on your little containers, and let me grab one. I think I have one handy. Hang on one second. Yeah, I usually keep my diamond drills in these kind of containers here. And those labels fit perfectly on the tops of these boxes or on the side. Okay, so that comes in your kit. And then you also receive this little booklet here, and they have the detailed instructions, which are the same as are on the box there. Plus they give a tips and tricks section down here, so that's usually helpful. And if you like, you can record your start date and your completion date. So if you want to memorialize that, you have this little book to do that with. So let's get into this kit. Oh my word. I don't know how I managed to try to even think I'm going to fit this into my time schedule, but it is what it is. Okay. So, oh goodness, it's really big. Let me squinch my camera down and see if we can't see the whole thing. Okay, you're going to see some other junk here. My work stuff here, some other things over there. But here is the gorgeous canvas. Look at how pretty that rose is. So, so pretty. Okay. Sorry, I'm having trouble fitting this in. I think this one may actually be longer than the other one that I did, or the one that I'm working on. So anyway, let me just give you a close-up here of the legend. We've got the number of the diamond drill for this particular kit, and these are the symbols that go along with them. So you will look at the symbol, you'll find it here, look it up here, and then that's the number you will go by. And then of course those are the DMC numbers, and this has 35 drills. Some of them are AB, and then there's one special one, and I think this one's called a diamond dust. And I have never done a kit before with a diamond dust drill, so that's going to be interesting to see what that looks like. So that is the absolutely stunning canvas. Really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to have to put that aside because it is way, way big. Okay, and as usual, you get your toolkit here. Let me adjust the camera again. Okay. Get this open, and the kits are usually fairly standard, but if you've never seen one of these kits before, I want to share it with you all. Okay, so you do get 2 of the drill trays. Oh, goodness. Okay, so you get your trays. You get a pair of tweezers. You get one of their fancy diamond placing pens, and this one, I don't know if you can see it there. It's red there. It's already loaded with the wax. But when you do need to add wax, you'll just unscrew this, and they give you extra wax here. You'll just drop another one of these cartridges down in there, screw the top back on, and you're good to go. So when you're placing your diamonds, when this wax wears down, you'll just turn this and a little bit more wax will come out. So that's that. You also get 2 packages of the little baggies to keep your drills in if you choose to do it that way. And you get these numbers here to add on to these baggies. Okay, so it used to be the kits that I got, you would only get this. You wouldn't get that extra sheet that I showed you earlier. And I really like that extra sheet. So that's what comes in the kit. And here are the drills. So let's take a look at these. Give me just a second to get this open. Oh my goodness. There's a lot here. So we're just going to look at these quickly. So when you see packages like this, where you get several of the same colors, that's going to be a primary color in your canvas. And I'll just pull the canvas back over. You can see here all of the outlining here, the lining around the rose, that's all part of the stained glass. That's where all that black is going to go. So that is going to be a primary color, and I love the blacks. Diana from Diana Loves Colors and I both think these are the best ones. They're just so sparkly. Then you've got some rich reds there, some rusts, some browns, some greens. And like I said, we're just going to go through these relatively quickly. Okay. Gorgeous colors. Sorry for the glare. We got these plastic bags here, so you're going to get some glare. Look at this. Is that the same color? Let's see. This is an A5, and these are A5s. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you get a whole lot of black. Okay. And then here we have more beiges, pinks and peaches, browns. The browns are really pretty too. These are so sparkly. I can't wait to share that other canvas with you guys. Wait till you see how gorgeous it turned out. Wow, there's a lot of drills in this pack. The whites are really pretty too. Look at the whites. And here's some of the special drills. Really big, flat back, faceted gems. And let's see here. Got some more. A lot of beige in here. And look at this. There's a little hitchhiker in there. Somehow a black got in there with those cream colors. And I do not see the fairy dust. Give me a second to look through here. Did I miss the fairy dust? Actually, I think it's this one here. They're extra small drills, and you probably can't see, but they have like glitter on them. So I think that's the fairy dust. They're glittery, but you can't really see it. I'm sure once they're placed on the canvas and they're out of these plastic bags, you'll be able to tell. So anyway, that's what I have to share with you today. Another gorgeous project from feelookart. And in between doing my nothingness, which is, you know, crazy because I always have a lot to do, I will start working on this one once I finish the other one and get to share that with you. So thanks for stopping by, Crafty Peeps. By the way, I know FeeLook is going to be running another special where if you spend so much money, you get different discounts. So the more you spend, the more you save. I don't have the numbers in front of me here, but I'm going to put them up here in the corner so that you can see them there if you're interested. I am not an affiliate. I only do unboxings and share my projects with you. And if you are looking for an affiliate link, you can always go to Diana, who is Diana Loves Colors. I'll have her link down below, and you can use her affiliate link to save even more. So thanks a lot for stopping by. Happy crafting, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.